Okay, so it's drugs the entire world's being enslaved on, and South America enslaved. South America enslaved. Enslaved everything. You can see everything. Yeah, South America enslaved everything. Trying to see if I can get there. South America enslaved the Easter, and I'm gonna guess also Galapagos, Chile, Peru, and then indirectly to the slave trade, Spain, Britain, France. Drugs and slaves and Wi-Fi. What's the next step? Characters on Galapagos is kind of on some Eastern Park. I guess when they get there, find out what happened. And this on the archives, 36 places. Tied to the insider traders. So we find out which politician has ties to it. That'd be the Mexican one, of course. I'm gonna have to get the AI. The list of the ones who, yeah, so it'd be under documents, story, stories. There you go. And B, finished list part 2. So list them, yeah. There we go. Alright, let's find out. I actually do have the Mexican guy. That's the AI connections. Alright, his name Garcia, there's one. Art Garcia. Garcia. I think that's it. Yeah, okay. So I have to pull up his data. Okay, gotta stay focused. Gotta remember, every decision builds up glutamate. You get tired, so I gotta. Also, if I eat too much, you don't eat too much. Brain thinking goes to the stomach. Okay. They get to Galapagos. Paul pulls up. I could actually do this easier with the microphone. And this guy, they get to. Paul pulls up historical data since 10 million years, who enslaved them, etc. Okay, I'm gonna type to Mike Garcia. Let's see, Mike Garcia. Okay, I want to see the ones here. Go to access industry. Government. Seeing some Spanish. Cool. Not the exploitation of cool. Okay. Translate. Wait a minute, this, no, not Galapagos, I meant Galapagos. Oh wait, is it on, was it doing Galapagos those times? It's doing Eastern. Is it East? Okay, I guess, yeah, they did enslave the, Galapagos also, because they're close to each other. Alright. Wow. Okay. This one includes Netherlands. Interesting. To sever the ancient life of its guardians. Okay, now it's going towards it. Oh, that's the other AI. What's the reality? So tie it to Mike. Okay, so that's